ready to craft progressive house tracks that will ignite dance floors and captivate audiences worldwide. Today, we're diving deep into the art of producing high-quality progressive house, from the foundational sound design to the final polished master. We start with sound design. For progressive house, we need evolving, rich, and melodic elements. Let's build a signature-led synth. Begin with a clean sine wave wheel at a saturator for warmth, then some chorus for width, and finally, a complex LFO modulating the filter cutoff to create that signature movement and growl that defines progressive house. Next, the bassline. A solid, driving bassline is crucial. Program a simple, rhythmic pattern, then layer it with a subass for low and power. Apply some distortion for grit and a subtle sidecane to the kick drum to create that pumping effect that makes the track groove. Arrangement is where the magic truly happens. Wheel structure our track with an engaging intro, building energy through subtle additions and filter sweeps. The breakdown will introduce a melodic or atmospheric element before the main drop hits with full force. We'll then create tension and release with subsequent build-ups and variations to keep the listener hooked. Mixing is critical for a polished sound. We'll focus on creating space for each element. Use EQ to carve out frequencies, ensuring no clashing. Compressors will control dynamics and add punch, especially to drums and vocals. Employ reverb and delay subtly to create depth and atmosphere without muddying the mix. Finally, mastering. This is the very last stage to make your track commercially viable and logged. We'll use a limiter to bring up the overall level, ensuring it competes with other tracks. A final EQ can add that last bit of polish, and a touch of saturation can add perceived loudness and excitement. By meticulously crafting each stage, sound design, arrangement, mixing, and mastering, you can produce progressive house tracks that stand out and truly captivate.